the leaf sketch over there. Can you bring that over to and go get your stand started?
I don't, but you look
Yeah,
great.
do you see where they're standing? Go ahead. Just grab two of them. Go ahead and then come right back to your seats. Where are they going? To get a stand started.
There's a special place I know where we can go to watch the show. The actors dance, the actors sing. In fact, they do most anything. The puppet show, the puppet show. Let's all go, let's all go. The puppet show, the puppet show. We'll have so much fun. Puppets are like you and me, but they have powers you can't see. They can jump and they can fly and disappear before your eyes. The puppet show, the puppet show. Let's all go, let's all go. The puppet show, the puppet show. We'll have so much fun. We'll have so much fun.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Truck or Treat 2021. We are so glad that you have come out to this event and stopped to watch the puppet show. Today's show is called Alone in the Woods. Have you ever been scared? Well then we have the show for you. This takes place on a dark and stormy night. Let's travel into the woods where our story begins. Come along as our friend explores our forest and learns all about being scared.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
It's this time of year that everything starts to get a little bit spooky. It starts to get dark so early, and the dark is scary. People also try to scare others when things come out of nowhere. People just seem to get scared. As you can probably see, I'm a tree. I'm guessing that I probably didn't need to tell you that, but I just wanted to be on the safe side. Here comes somebody. I will need to tell you the rest of this story in just a few minutes. Keep your eyes open. Just keep moving. What was that? I was just stretching my back. What? That? I get stiff and tense sometimes. I'm almost 100 years old. Talking tree? I'm getting out of here. I broke the #1 rule of being a tree. You never, ever, ever talk to humans. Because that happens. You might think that because of that one little tree of rule that I would have no friends. But that actually isn't the case at all. I have tons of friends. And most of them would come out at night, though, when there are less people around. Like, here's one of them right here.
Ooh. Hello, tree.
Hello, Ghost. How are you feeling today?
Ooh. Just a little faint.
Now that you say that, you are a little hard to see, but I think that I can just make out your shadow.
That's good. Now how was your day? Beautiful?
It was fine, Leafy, except for a little knot in my back. Would you take a look at it?
I sure can do that.
What did you find?
Ooh, it's not looking good. I'd have that looked at.
But you just looked at it.
I know, but I'd have a professional look at it.
That bad?
Yep, I've got to go.
I got to get to the boogie, and then a dinner of spaghetti and ice cream for dessert. Then I will take a boo-boo bath and make sure to use shampoo.
Ghost, remember that I can see right through you. I can never seem to read him. Number 1 rule.
I got this. I'm on a mission. Remember, that's just a tree, and it was just my imagination that I thought I heard it come. Again, just a tree. There are trees all around me and they can't hurt me. Unless I guess they would have fallen me. But that's unlikely, right? Now what was that? There it was again. I'm out of here.
Ha! Well, that was easy. I know, we didn't even have to get close. It really doesn't get much easier than that. No, it doesn't. What's the plan for next time? We are definitely going to try and get in closer. No need to touch her, but we have to make this fun.
What are you two laughing at?
Did you see that kid?
The one who ran out of the woods screaming?
That's the one.
Now what did the two of you do?
That's what's so funny about this. We didn't do anything. We were just flying around and then she got scared and ran out screaming.
You two go back to your home. Don't go around scaring people on purpose.
Yes, Tree. Understood.
I think she's coming back. Come on. Go. Get on.
Go in. I have to get that pumpkin, and to get there, I just have to go through the forest. It can't be that bad. That is just that old tree over there with the knot in his back. He isn't gonna hurt me, and his creaks can't scare me. Now what's that? Oh look, it's just a couple of bats. They're so little and cute. I'm not scared of them.
We got up in her face and she still wasn't scared. She called us cute. Yuck! We're supposed to be scary.
Did you hear that? She's going all the way to the pumpkin patch. Do you think she's gonna make it past Ghost?
Somehow she made it past us. But Ghost has some scares that are levels above us. You're right. We'll just have to see.
One foot then the other. I can get through this. Wow, it really is dark back in here. What is this? Hello there. Oh no, a spider! Ah! I think you just walked into my home. I'm covered in spider web. It is actually a very specifically made structure made out of spider silk. I'm out of here. There was so much more I could have told her about my spider web. Well, I guess I'm back to extruded silk from my spinnerets, so that I will have a home for the night.
Before you start that web, would you mind looking at the knot in my back?
Here, let me take a look. What's going on?
Those little legs that you have tickle my butt.
Well, I will try my best not to tickle you too hard.
What are you seeing?
It looks like a great spot for me to build my web off of.
What does it mean for me? Am I sick? Dying? What has my life come to?
No, it's just a little knot. probably came from a bug, but you fought it off.
Phew, that was a close call.
Well, I'm going to get back to building that web of mine. It's hard work making sure that the geometric pattern is just right with the right amount of strength, elasticity, and stickiness.
He sounds like it.
I've got it this time. I can feel it. Just the tree. And soon here, I'm gonna hear the flapping of those bats. Just what I expected. Ooh. That's just a little spider web. Hey, that was my home, and it took hours to build the perfect web with the right amount of sticky to catch my prey. She doesn't care. The pumpkin patch is so close that I can almost smell it, and I can almost touch it. Big, bright orange pumpkin, here I come. Ooh, you think so? Who said that? Ooh, someone you would never find in a living room. What do you mean by that? Ooh, living isn't really my kind of thing. You're dead! You're dead! I see it now! You see that I'm a little faint. Boom. Did you see that one? It wasn't even that hard.
Like I said, if anyone could scare her, it would be you.
It was truly beautiful.
You're sick.
I'm actually not. Last time I checked, the dead can't get sick.
I don't think that's what he meant.
You're right. Why do we think it's funny to make someone else miserable?
I think you're right, wise old tree.
I'm not saying that we have to stop being us, but we shouldn't intentionally scare the kid.
Aw, but what fun is that?
You will see. It is all worth it in the end.
Here I go again. First the creaking tree. That's strange. I was expecting a creak. There we go. Then a couple of bats. Again. And this time I will go around the spider web. Thank you. One last stop before the pumpkin patch. Boo. That's more like what I was expecting. I can see it at last, the pumpkin patch.
I would like to inform all customers that the pumpkin patch will be closing in 5 minutes. Please bring your pumpkins in for weighing and purchase.
Oh no, I better hurry.
Pick me!
What was that?
Pick me! Pick me! I've been here all day and no one's looked at me.
Oh, I'd love to take you home.
That's a very nice pumpkin that you have there.
Thanks. You really are a nice looking pumpkin.
I'm glad I get to go home with someone nice.
That will be $5.
Here you go. Thank you.
You are so very welcome.
Now it's time to go home.
Let's go!
To get home, we have to go through the forest. At first, the forest seemed like a super scary place, but it really isn't that bad. And if you get scared, I'm right here with you. First is the creaky tree. Ooh.
What was that? I don't think that was a tree.
I forgot that we are going backwards through the woods. That's just the ghost who is full of puns.
Can you tell me one?
What is a ghost's favorite dinner?
What?
Spaghetti.
Ha 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 ha.
We better keep moving as we have the rest of the forest to get through. Next is the spider.
I don't like spiders.
This one doesn't bite. Just make sure to avoid the...
A spider web! Get off of me!
Not again. Don't get spooked by the bats.
Bats? I can do bats.
Remember, just bats. Last is the old tree with a knot in his back. He's really creaky. Creak, creak,
Just a tree.
and there we are, out of the forest.
That wasn't too bad.
Now it's time to carve you.
Oh no, help!
Seeing things running through your head.
Guys, let's go get those stamps now, bud.
And a visible man sleeping in your bed.
Yes, this one. Let's go get the puppet wagon. Let's go this way, please.
Show's not over, folks.
I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise. Then suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster from my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abode to get a jolt from my electrode. They did the monster mash. It was a graveyard
Hi, I'm a bat. Hi, bat. Do you want to hear a joke? Yes! What's even smarter than a talking bat? What? A spelling bee.
Hi, I'm Pumpkin.
Hi, pumpkin.
Do you want to hear a joke?
Yes!
What do you get when you drop a pumpkin?
What?
Squash!
Hi kids, I'm Slider.
Hi, Spider.
Do you want to hear a joke?
Yes!
What do you call a spider with 20 eyes?
What?
A spider. Hi, I'm Ghost.
Hi, Ghost.
Do you want to hear a joke?
Yes!
How did the ghost unlock a door?
How?
With a spooky. Hi,
dogwood tree.
How?
By its bark.
Hi, I'm Gloria.
Hi, Gloria.
Do you want to hear a joke?
Yes.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Philip.
Fill up who?
Fill up my bag with Halloween candy, please.
Alright, should we go get some more stamps? He's got one up there. We gotta go see the bigger stamp. Come on, you wanna come this way? Come on, come to the back. Go over the bench.